Why do the change in radius will come? So if I take this, okay, there's a ring. Let me take let me take an arc. Let me take few. How the electrostatic force will be acting? Radially outward. Why radially outward? I'm just saying that there's a positive point charge kept at center of the ring, and what we have positive charge on the circumference of the ring. So the interaction force between them will be radially outward. Between any point on the ring and the point charge, the interaction will be radially outward. So now under action of this radial outward force, so what will happen to the ring? The ring will expand. The ring will expand here. Then as it expands, as the ring is having elasticity, so elastic restoring forces will come. The elastic restoring forces should oppose the deformation. So elastic restoring forces will act tangential to the element. Will act tangential to the element. So let me show that diagram here. I don't know, some graphics. Oh. A magnified diagram, so things are very clearly visible for you. It is at center, no? So you do one thing. So take a elemental length. Look at this. It's an arc. Then how the elastic restoring force should act? The elastic restoring force should act tangential. Now, why is why we should show in this way? Why not any other direction? Why not any other direction? So let this be the phi. So you look at this. This is because how the force will act? It's a tensile force. And how do the restoring force will act? Along tangential to the length of the rope or tangential to the length of the element. So I should take the restoring forces in this direction. Let this be the T. Then who will balance the, so why do this elastic restoring force is acting? Because of the electrostatic force. DFE, because this small elemental charge is having a charge at dq. There's interaction between this point charge kept at center and this elemental charge. So DFE will act here. Then who will balance this electrostatic force? The component of elastic forces set up in the ring. Then at equilibrium will start from here. DFE should be equal to 2t sine phi. Component of this t sine phi is balanced by this electrostatic force. What is DFE? Should be equal to lambda into ds into E. Okay, the force of interaction, no? This should be equal to K dq q by r square. The force of interaction between them, because dq is a charge here. What is the radius? Radius is r. I'll remove this also. Radius is r. So there's a force of interaction. This should be equal to 2t sine phi. dq further, what we can write? There's an elemental charge. It will be like this. So what is ds equal to r 2 theta or 2 phi? So further this will become k, ds will become ds, sorry, dq should be equal to lambda into ds r square. There's a q 2t phi. So as this elemental arc, the angle subtended will be very small. So phi will be very small. So the phi sine phi will become phi. Okay, let's come for this one. What is lambda? Lambda should be q by. Just some small correction is there. Some symbols. This is dq. Yeah, fine. So what is a dq? Dq should be called lambda into ds. So k lambda. Lambda is what you can write q by 2 pi r. ds is what? R 2 phi. This is q by r square. So eliminating all. So I'll end up with kq small q 2 pi 1 r square into t. What is lambda? Lambda is a linear charge density. We define total charge by circumference length. What is k? K is 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, the 2 phi will get eliminated. So here this thing. So this 2 phi and this 2 phi will get eliminated. One r gets eliminated. So 2 pi r square will end up here. So what is further k? K will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So the expression for tension will be 4 pi 8 pi epsilon naught r square. Okay, let's come for Young's modulus. It is defined as stress by strain. What is the stress? T by S. What is S? S is this part. This is the area of cross section. Area of cross section of the ring. So the force per unit area will be tensile stress. Then elongation. Elongation will be 2 pi okay, this will be the thing. So now change in radius is asking. So this should become equal to TR by YS. So what is the value of T? So KQ by Y into S into 8 pi epsilon naught R. I think I'll write it in proper form. So this will be the expression for the change in radius of the ring. 8 pi square. Pi square. Okay, this will be the expression for change in radius of the ring. You know, this is the final answer, what we ended up. Okay, let me round it off. This is our answer.